Let us start the program now. We will take the input from the user. We will assign a value to it. First, we will compare if the number is equal to or lesser than 1. For that, we will use if statement. Then if the number is equal to 1 or lesser than 1, this function will print not a prime number. Then we use a for. For loop checks divisibility from 2 to the number lesser than the what we have entered. Suppose if we have given number 6 from the 6 as an input, so this for loop will check as from the range 2 to 5. This statement will check the remainder. If the remainder is 0, so if the number is not prime, then we should break the loop here. Then if the for loop is also false, then we need to print number is prime. We will execute and see. We'll give it a number 5 once. So number is prime. Then we'll run again. Number 6 this time. Enter. So not a prime. This is the program for finding whether number is prime